how to mass delete emails on Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to delete all of your emails at once, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up a Google Chrome and then head over to your Gmail. Now, instead of selecting the emails individually, you can just tap on this box at the very top. This will select all of your emails. You can see all 50 conversations on this page are selected at the top. That means it will only select 50 conversation at once, but you can see there's an option to select all 863 conversations. So you can tap on this and all of the conversation will be selected, and you can see the delete icon here. You just need to tap on it and then all of your email will be deleted at once. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.